Hi, this is Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner network magazine. We're at the 2016 Automation Fair event in Atlanta, and I'm talking with Mike at the Laird booth. Mike, tell us what your company does.
Laird is a company that has been working wireless communications for about the last 70 years. The products that my particular group does are all about solutions for industrial remote control, rail remote control, and we do communications for things like mining. So what we've been doing with Rockwell, of course, is on the industrial remote control side, where we have remotes that do primarily crane control, heavy machinery control, and we are introducing here at the show this year a new personal safety device that allows a person to have an e-stop with them at all times when they're operating with either moving or electrical equipment.
Wow, that's pretty exciting, and that might explain why there's so many people here at the booth buzzing around. So what are some of the things you're highlighting and they're excited about?
Well, the safety stop is a device that one would either carry or wear on in a holster. It allows you to work either individually so that you could have a e-stop with you at all times to keep yourself safe, or you could coordinate up to 5 of these things together so that a group of people could work on a particular project that they have different vantage points, they might be doing different things, either working individually over a span of distance or together on a single thing to make sure that nothing happened that they couldn't stop the machine if they had to.
Okay, and what's the other thing there that you're holding?
Well, this is one of our Excaliburs. It's a handheld remote control for doing crane or machine control. We're also using our belly box type of control to operate the crane that you see behind me.
And how big of a load can your cranes and your controls handle?
Well, what we've got with the little machine here is about a half-pound load, but we do crane controls with 200-ton cranes. We work with very big equipment. And some of the neat things that we're doing with that is not only having a single control lift something like they call it long stock. Think of an aircraft wing, but you could coordinate a lift of something like that to move it either up, down, left, right, forward, backwards, but throughout an entire plant. So move it from one end of a plant to another, an area where it's being manufactured to another place where it's being assembled onto an aircraft.
In a safe manner.
In a very safe manner. If any one of the controls were to fail, you can imagine what happens if the rest are continuing to do a lift. So we can coordinate the lift such that if any one of them fails, or the hardware that in the crane fails, we would recognize that and immediately shut down the lift.
And because Laird is a Rockwell Automation and Compass product partner, all your products here on display are compatible with the Rockwell products, and they work together well as a system, and there's no problem installing them.
Absolutely. We're very happy that as of release 30 of Studio 5000, we'll have an AOP that's embedded. If someone wanted to use the equipment today, we have the AOP that we could just send them.
Yeah, the add-on profiles are very powerful.
Yes, absolutely. It makes it just that much easier to do the integration and take the time away from integration into what our other partners get paid for, the value add.
Yeah. And there's so much more to learn about what Laird can do for you, so go to the website shown on your screen here and find out how they can help you. I'm Teresa Hauk at the 2016 Automation Fair event. I'll see you next time.